My name is Cyrus Toro. This is day 7 of learning how to get back to that place. This footage is for personal record only, not for public consumption. I couldn't go to sleep last night. My body was exhausted. My brain was just going in circles. Exhausted, but I couldn't go to sleep. I kept getting memories and visions of that place. I really think further research into the moon and its cycles and humans' history with the moon would be very, very, very helpful. Cause I'm all out of whack. My schedule's fucked. And then it dawned on me. I'm not really portraying the things that I've found very well through these entries. So today I'm gonna go outside and I'm just gonna show you an example of how easily this world can be picked apart. Locking the door is just a habit at this point. I don't think it really actually does anything. This is where I live, really. I have a theory that you will find more glitches, more loopholes, more paradoxes in places like this. Because everything is meant to look the same, I think they just count on the regular mind not picking up the weird shit that they find. There's a lot of weird shit if you sit still long enough. There used to be a glitched out squirrel that would attack my bedroom window. Only on nights when I was trying to get to sleep. You just jump on the fucking window. I opened the window, I looked him dead in the fucking face. I banged on the window. This fucker looked at me. And I checked, there was no rabies or nothing. I haven't heard an owl in years. It was a pigeon. It was a pigeon. The fuck? I've never walked this way. But look, same shit. It's the back rooms, but outside. I don't know why this is capturing me. This wall of leaves over here. There's so many different textures, it's hard to look at one place for too long. I love when big trucks take a really long time to go over the speed bump. Especially when there's a space right there. You could just drive around it. One of my favorite glitches or routes or programs that I keep running into is every single time I get in my car to drive away from this place, there's a black 4-door Mazda that is either leaving this entrance or just getting back through this entrance. Every fucking time. I don't know what's gonna happen now that I'm calling it out. Even just thinking about things like that too much, it starts to glitch out, happens in different places, or stops happening at all. So I'm interested to see what happens. Zaxby's, right on the corner. There's a bird over there. Right as I hit the realization that all of the meat we're consuming, at least in this country, is not the meat that we're told it is, I wanted to still eat the loaded fries from Zaxby's. It was still a craving I had. And they shut down for remodeling when I was having that thought. And there's no other Zaxby's in this fucking city. Just that one right there. I take little things like that as signs. What the fuck have they been doing with the weather, bro? I like the sun. But the sun's only out on days that I know I'm not going outside. Today I threw a fucking curveball. I walked outside at fucking 6:30 a.m. That's a big fuck you. This recent turn in my life, in my beliefs, in my personal practices, it's surprising to me too. Because on the surface, it just looks like I'm a paranoid conspiracy theorist. But I really did go somewhere. I really did go somewhere. I'm not hearing it. Oh. I was about to say it's only birds. That guy right there. See if he comes around. Well, I was trying to sleep last night. One of the things that kept me up was just this little thought spiral. It started with thinking about the money I have. And I only started thinking about that because my phone bill got texted to me. And that only happened because there were insufficient funds in my bank account. And that only happened because the doctors that never actually heal me, they just take money from me, charge me for this month. And that happened because I don't care about money so much, I forget that I have to deal with it. That's just not healthy. It doesn't help anybody. And I don't want that to be a part of my day. There's a nice change of pace. End of the first week. Right? It's day 7. It's just me and the birds